Okay, about the story of the rich man and Lazarus. I think this is Faye earlier.
What's you doing?
Okay. That's so pretty.
Welcome back to our channel. When I was there, now it stopped.
Because you stand up now and you're not in the aircon anymore.
Oh.
Because cold breeze or cold air will clog your nose. That's why it's better not to have aircon if you have sipon.
But
Oh.
what? How did it just did it fastly?
Fastly because the temperature. It's hot here outside. Gray boy, go back! You bring your water,
Ano yun sa bag?
coffee.
Ano yun sa bag?
What bag? Oh, it fits. Bye-bye, see you later.
Hindi ko madala sa isa.
Oh. No, I will not go over. What's happening? What's happening? Why man very cranky? Oh no. Mait ko gusto ko mamating na lang. Si Ria mabasa sa Bible. Pwede story lang, ma-read kayo sa ka-story. Okay, about the story of the rich man and Lazarus. Gawin mo ka na.
Rich man?
Yeah, let's read this. Okay.
Poor man dead and was carried by the angels to Abraham's side. The rich man also died and was born, and his hates being a torment, he lift up his eyes.
It's a story told by Jesus to the one that's listening to him. And there's a story of a rich man. What's a rich man? He has so many things, many clothes, many money, it's a big house, many food in the table. He's very rich. And there was a poor man. A poor man, his name is Lazarus. And Lazarus is just there outside begging for money. The poor man will get the rice on the floor and he will eat that.
Under the table?
Yeah, that poor. And the rich man did not even give the poor man food because he has so many. He should have given the poor man, but he did not give. So the poor man just get the floor, the food on the floor, and he will eat that.
But it's dirty.
Yeah. And then the angel bring the poor man beside Abraham. Do you know the story of Abraham? So Abraham is in heaven. So he bring the poor man to heaven. And the poor man is there na happy with God. Then, the rich man also died.
Why?
Because it's their time. It's their time to die na. We are not forever here on earth. Anytime God can get you. If it's your time. Lazarus was comforted in heaven. He is very happy there. And the man is in anguish. So in pain, in great pain there on Hades. Or in... Who is this? Who is this? Is this Kai? I think this is Faye earlier. When Faye said, "There's no pancake, Mommy. I'm angry." Nah. What will you do when you are feeling angry?
Breathe in and breathe out. And
Breathe in. Did you do that? First you pray. You breathe in and breathe out. Then you pray, Jesus, help me. Like that. Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog. It's Mommy Doc and it's another day. Today is Sunday and of course it's the Lord's Day for us. It's our Sabbath. We're just preparing. Kanina umalis na si Daddy kasi magki-keyboard siya sa church. So nauna na siya kasi they're preparing pa before everything else. Magpa-practice pa sila lahat ng yun. And kami magfa-follow na lang yung whole family. kakayanin. Honestly, may something wrong sa voice ko. Kasi lahat kami sa bahay talagang nagkasakit. While I'm in Manila, I just went sa Manila Thursday. Kakadating ko lang kahapon. So, when I'm there, talagang nag-fever talaga ako, feverish, nagka-cough, hindi na rin ako makatulog because of my cough, clogged nose, lahat ng yun. Parang basic talaga na, talaga siya, flu talaga. And even the kids, nung nawala ako, feel talaga nila nawala si mommy. Naglagnat din silang tatlo, and even their cough. Nauna na si Achi last time, si Ellie, pero yun nga, hindi pa. Honestly, much better na siya kasi kahapon naka-join na siya sa yung sa CCF Tulong Tayo with his daddy. Si Fei nag-fever pa kagabi and also with Kai. So we're taking care with them. So parang recovering talaga lahat dito sa bahay. Pero at least there's energy na, more energy to move. Honestly, kahit yung dalawang assistant ko dito, yung dalawang college student ko dito, nagkasakit rin. As in, umuubo na sila, nagka-clog nose, nag-feverish na rin sila last time. So parang whole house ata. So I'm planning later to reset the house. Magdi-disinfect, lahat ng yun. We'll change everything para getting ready for the next week. And also with the kids, honestly, ngayon talagang ako yung nagbabantay sa kanila. If they're sick kasi talagang yung feeding nila, mahirap, wala silang gana, lahat ng yun. Tapos even yung rest nila, tapos yung mood nila, very cranky. Kasi ako ngayon, mabigat yung pakiramdam ko, even my head. Pero, no. Ayun nga, hindi tayo magpapa-apekto. Let's do this day. So, I'll be sharing what we'll be doing today. Hopefully, you will enjoy. Just come along with us. Go, dance. Come here. Actually, go. First. And Fei, go. Get your small toes. Is it the white shoes or the sandal shoes? The sandal that we buy, the pink one. Good job. Good job. Thank you for the help. Okay? Oh, baby. You just need to make it stronger. Okay? Go na. Wear your shoes.
Ano ba nangyari? I'm back home, pero aalis ako ngayon kasi kukunin ko yung si Daddy, saka si Ellie, saka si Faye. Kasi yung nangyari kanina, nag-church kami lahat, tapos si Kai, yun nga, talagang ino-observe pa namin how she will react sa lahat ng yun kasi syempre hindi na kami magbibigay sa kanya ng phone. So much better na ngayon kasi kanina buong praise and worship, okay siya talaga. Pero nung after nung natapos na yung praise and worship, hindi na siya tumatakbo, mas ano na siya, calm na siya. So nakaupo lang siya, magpapacarry lang siya sa akin. Tapos, nung next na, syempre may mga kids doon na naglalaro, parang may area doon. Pero syempre mga malalaki na, so gusto niya kunin yung mga toys, hindi naman sa kanya. So, at first, akala ko kakayanin lang na hindi na kami mag-playground. Pero, yun nga, nag-indoor playground pa rin kami para mas doon na lang mag-entertain. Tapos si Mami naman, nag-live na lang ako, yung sa CCF Live na service. So, hindi namin natapos yung 1 hour kasi yun nga sabi ko, diba, masama yung pakiramdam niya. So, I think, sobrang sama na ng pakiramdam niya. Talagang super, makita mo talaga na parang mabigat na. Tapos, nag-close eyes na siya. Inaantok na siya. Tapos, nag-poop na siya sa diaper niya. Wala kaming dala. Tapos, yung notebook niya, basa talaga. So talagang, since pa yan sa fever niya, wala akong choice, I need to bring her home. So, assistant ko, sinama ko na. So, inatid ko na muna siya sa bahay. Talagang sobrang cranky niya na kasi syempre, wet na siya, yung sa diaper niya, tapos masama pa, mabigat pa pakiramdam niya, very sleepy na siya. Ngayon, pupunta ako kina Daddy. Sila naman yung susunduin ko. Maybe we will have lunch na lang sa sa SM.
Hello. Hi.
Bello.
I
Did you know that when I went to Universal Studios, I saw a very big Bello wallet that I bought.
Hello.
They have a Charizard
What
bag.
you doing?
You unzipper it, but it's weird and very expensive. So Daddy did not buy it.
Later. Snorlax wallet.
Yes, but I did not buy it. I only buy Pikachu.
Why? Because it's my favorite. Again,
Yes, there were other types of coin purse, Gengar.
Okay. Pepe, did you understand the Daddy? Daddy will say what category.
And we can play, you have to take
Example.
things in the bathroom. Toothbrush.
Shower cap. So, I'm gonna make first and then Okay.
Nagaraya.
Chips. 1, 2, 4. I'll put a snack face. Are you excited?
Yes.
We'll make it very, very short.
Are you ready, Pepe?
And, yes! Pauwi na kami. As in, natagalan. Kasi na-extend yung mga errands namin. Dapat yung plan lang kanina is parang... No, dapat pa kami. Parang mag-lunch out lang with the kids kasi matagal na kaming hindi parang naka-family date. Yun, so sobrang excited sila. Dapat magpa-pancake lang kami. So nag-lunch na lang kami muna. Tapos yun, nag-pancake kami, pinatry kami sa kanilang pancake. Tapos after noon, nagpa-haircut na kami kasi yun nga, parang nahihirapan na kami sa hair nila. Tapos matagal na yung plan, hindi siya natutuloy-tuloy na talagang i-plan out talaga. So, kanina, while in the salon, yun, super enjoy talaga yung dalawa. I'm so happy for the both of them. Si Mami, hindi rin nagpatalo. Yan, ang ganda, diba? Nagpa-treatment lang ako. Nagpa-treatment, tapos, nagpa-haircut na rin. Diba? So pretty, ang ganda. Siya, doon kami sa may SM North Block, yung Michiko. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung nag-haircut sa akin. Dami niyang tinuro, dami niyang lalaki. Pero talagang super kailangan kong, mga questions ko nasagot niya, tapos sinuruan niya ako how I take care of my, kasi basta, parang before kasi, ako niya, parang nag-caravan ako sa hair ko. It was a year ago. So, parang nagsisi talaga ako kasi parang hindi ko na-maintain. So, tinuruan niya ako. Yung ngayon ko, treatment na lang. So, parang sabi niya, for my hair, talagang need ko lang alagaan with treatments. Ganun siya. So, tapos kailangan lang talaga tamang pag-take care lang sa hair and sa scalp ko. Kasi, yun nga, syempre, postpartum, nagka-problem pa ako with the hair loss. Ang dami talaga. Hair fall. Grabe naman, hair loss. Hindi naman siya hair fall. Hair fall, saka dandruff. Yun. So, parang may mga tinuro siya. Lahat lang yun. Basta I really appreciate it. And kahit sa mga kids ko, ang ganda rin ng mga, ng mga cat nila. So, yun. Galing niya rin. So, I recommend. Ngayon, we need to go home kasi may pa kami, GLC na mga sessions for GLC 2. And kami yung coordinator ni Daddy. So, pero, parang traffic. We'll see. for mommy, happy talaga ako kasi I spent time with the kids kanina. Tapos parang alam mo yun, may common activity kami. Tapos na-feel ko na talaga na girls yung mga anak ko. Sobrang enjoy talaga nila. So, sobrang happy din nila na nag-join in ako sa kanila. Nagpapa-haircut din ako. I really appreciate it. Parang hindi ko yun naisip kasi before, parang part lang siya ng errand ba na, okay, magpa-haircut tayo. Ikaw, haircut ka na, need mo na. Or ako, magpa-haircut ako rin aalis. Mag-haircut din kami. Pero parang kanina yung nangyari is parang naging activity siya namin, naging bond siya namin ng mga girls. Si daddy wala lang, nakikisabay lang siya. So parang na-appreciate ko siya talaga. Yung mommy heart ko, parang feel ko na lalaki na nila. Parang akala ko kasi at that parang young pa sila to parang ma-appreciate yung mga ganun. Pero yun nga, kanina nakita ko na siya talaga. So, there, parang isa yun na na-appreciate ko talaga after church namin. So, we'll be going home, kinakamusta lang namin si Kaikai kasi si Kaikai naiwan siya sa bahay. Pero, yun naman, mas better na daw siya. Siyempre, iba rin kasi kapag nasa bahay talaga, mas makarest.
What are you doing? Gano ka muda? Ha?
Rainbow and then it easily disappears. Yeah, that's here you go.
Wow, thank you later. I like your hair. We're the same hair na. We're the same hair.
Because of his nature as a triune God who relates within himself, it is his nature to want to have relationship with his creation. Now think of whether Bible does heaven or not.
Don't want you to take my side. Look, I have a shield. Can I try? Ah! It's almost spiky. Exactly, I can trust you. I'm bowing.
Huh? What is this na?
That's my own book that I keep running.
Yeah, why do you make that?
Nadire-diretso na kanina yung gabi namin. And siguro sobrang napagod ako for the day. Kasi sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Nag-fever na ako. Then, as in, nag-chills na. And then, tapos super clogged nose na talaga and been coughing. So, really praying for the whole family. Tarang feeling ko talagang super nahawaan kami lahat. Making all the things para mas strengthen yung immune system nila and they will be able to fight it. Well, doctor naman ako. Pero based on my assessment, it's really flu. Yung viral lang talaga. Hopefully, makaya nila talaga ng katawan namin and it will not progress na mangangailangan talaga sila ng antibiotic. Dapat mag-i-edit ako ng vlog pero maybe I'll take it slow and rest lang muna kasi talagang sobrang siya talaga. Hindi siya maganda. Nag-take effect na yung gamot pero yun pa rin siya. Yung sa gabi talaga. It's not good. Hindi na kami nag-aircon kasi nga, it's not helping sa clog mo. Sobrang hindi ka makatulog kasi nga talagang maradala talaga yung nose mo. So, really praying for healing, Lord. Especially for the kids. And even for me kasi babalik din ako sa work. And si Daddy Garon din, babalik din siya sa work rin. So far, I think yun nga, pinaparest talaga kami. We'll be taking it slow this week. Mabuti na lang di rin natuloy yung isang trip namin. So, we'll be at home lang. So, it's there. Yun siya. So, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me in my social media, Facebook, Instagram. So, thank you again and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.